So good morning to you all. Am I audible?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Is there anybody who is in waiting for joining the class? Okay. So I'm going to start the class now. Are you able to see the whiteboard? Are you able to?
Yes, sir.
Okay, okay. So let me write a question as soon as possible. So the question is, so is there anybody who is in waiting? Then please tell me. Kavita Kumari, Babita Kumari. So tell Kavita, Babita to rejoin again, because I think she is unable to join. मैंने उसे अलाउ कर दिया है, लेकिन स्टिल वो उसे वेटिंग रूम में ही आ रहा है उसका. So tell her to leave and join again. So I think she has joined. Okay. So the question is, power in multiple tone modulation. Okay. So a carrier A cos omega CT A cos omega CT is modulated by a modulating signal Ft equals T1 cos omega 1 t, T1 cos omega 1 t plus E2 cos omega 2t plus E3 cos omega 3t. So what we have to do, derive expression for, first question is, the A part is total modulated power, and B part is the net modulation index. Okay, so the question is, the carrier A cos omega ct is modulated by a modulating signal ft is equals this. Then you have to derive the expression for total modulated power and net modulation index. So this ft is now not, it is not a single tone modulating signal. This is a multi-tone modulating signal, as it consists of three frequency terms: omega 1, omega 2, and omega 3. As yesterday we have seen the power of a single tone AM signal. Now we have to calculate the power of total modulated power of a multi-tone modulated signal, in which there are three. Actually, this is a three-tone modulating signal. Three-tone modulating signal. Okay, so yeah, so we'll see how we can calculate. Okay, so AM wave is given by, हम लोग क्या जानते हैं कि AM वेव को रिप्रेजेंट हम लोग कैसे करते हैं, सिंपल वे में, सिंपल वे में हम लोग AM को रिप्रेजेंट कैसे करते हैं. ST इज इक्वल टू, वी हैव ऑलरेडी सीन दिस, ST इज इक्वल टू A cos of omega ct plus FT cos omega ct. We have already seen. So in this place of ft we have written xt. Okay, earlier we have written A cos omega ct plus xt cos omega ct. So instead of xt we have represented here ft, because ft xt is given. So this ft is nothing but the xt, what we have seen earlier. Okay, so we can put the value of xt ft here. So it should be A cos omega ct plus ft, ft that is E1 cos omega 1t plus E2 cos omega 2t plus E3 cos omega 3t cos of omega ct, which is already present here. Okay, so what we are going to do now, I'm taking another page, which can be written as equals A cos of omega ct plus, what I am going to do now, we are taking A cos omega ct as common. Okay, so what we are going to do now, earlier what we have A cos omega ct, the all this total term from this to this. If I am going to take A cos omega ct common from this whole term, this is पूरे term में से अगर common लें, then what we will have, A cos omega ct, अंदर क्या बचेगा, 1 plus of E1 by A cos omega 1t plus P2 by A cos of omega 2t plus P3 by A cos of omega 3t. Okay. Now we already know that A cos omega ct, the ratio of this E1 by A. So what is this E1? E1 is the amplitude of the modulating signal and A is the amplitude of the carrier. So this E1 by A is nothing but the modulation index. So it can be represented as M1 because it is E1. So M1 cos omega 1t plus E2 by A is represented by M2 cos omega 2t plus E3 by A is represented by M3 cos of omega 3t. Okay. Now, so the whole expression is nothing, it is the amplitude modulated signal which is represented like this. यहाँ पर ये M1, M2, M3 क्या है? M1, M2 and M3 is equal to what? The modulation indices. So index का plural, it is indices. Now, what we are going to do now, तो इस ST सिग्नल को हम लोग क्या कर सकते हैं, फिर से इसे A cos omega ct को अगर अंदर कर दें, तो then we will have A cos of omega ct plus A m1 cos omega 1t plus A m2 cos omega 2t plus A m3 cos omega 3t. So have I okay. So I think I am recording the video now.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Actually, I am not able to see that while sharing the whiteboard. Okay, so you are sharing screen here. So we have got this. Now, what we have to do now, we have to find out the total power. Therefore, the total power is given by. So we have to calculate what? The question was the total modulated power. Okay. So before total modulated power, we have to calculate the sideband power. The sideband power is given by PS is equal to half of M1A cos of omega 1t, the mean value of this part plus M2A cos omega 2 cos of omega 2t. This is the square of the mean square value of this term plus M3A cos omega 3t. So we have to find out the mean value of all these things. We have seen the mean value earlier also. Okay. So how we can calculate this? I'm going to the next page. Okay. So as we have already seen.
Sir, sir, one more time, sir. Please show the second slide, sir.
Okay, so this is PS equals half of M1A cos omega 1 t square plus M2A cos omega 2 t square, M3A cos omega 3 t square. Okay, so I am writing here itself. So it can be calculated as half of, we have already seen it will become to M square A by 2 plus M2 square A by 2 plus M3 square A by, sorry, A square by 2. So we have already seen this, that how we have calculated the mean square value of this, and the mean square value has come to, the mean square value of this is equal to this, the mean square value of this is equal to this, and mean square value of this is equal to this. We have calculated this part in yesterday's class. Okay, so you can go through the last class video, which is available in the Google Classroom, and see how we have calculated this. Okay, now this can be written as, I am taking A square by 2 as common, so half we have already there. We are taking out A square by 2 from the bracket. So we will have M1 square plus M2 square plus M3 square. Okay, so this will become A square by 4 M1 square plus M2 square plus M3 square. So what we have calculated here, we have calculated the sideband power. Okay, so this is the sideband power, PS by, sorry, PS equals A square by 4, this. Now, we have PC. PC is nothing but the A square by 2. We have calculated yesterday's class. PC is nothing but A square by 2. So how we have calculated, you can see that in the previous class, yesterday's class. So we have calculated PS, the sideband power, and the carrier power. Now, the total power PT. So PT is what? PT is the total power. What this PC is? PC is the carrier power. And this PS is
Sideband power.
sideband power, yeah. So the total power is carrier power plus sideband power. We already know that. So carrier power is A square by 2 plus sideband power is A square by 4, M1 square plus M2 square plus M3 square. So what we will get now? I am taking A square by 2 as common. Then we will have 1 plus, यहाँ पर क्या हो जाएगा? 1 by 2 M1 square plus M2 square plus M3 square. So this is nothing but the total power of the amplitude modulated wave, of multi-tone amplitude modulated wave, in which the modulating signal has 3 frequency terms, that is F1, F2, and F3. So in that way, we have got the total power. So this is the part A of the question. We have to calculate the total power. Okay. So for calculating total power, we need 2 things: the sideband power as well as the carrier power. When we will have both of these powers, then we can calculate the total power. Or if we have the modulation index, okay, or the carrier amplitude. So there are so many parameters to calculate. तो फर्स्ट वन, अगर हमारे पास पीसी और पीएस दोनों हैं, तो पीएस के लिए क्या चाहिए? पीएस के लिए कैरियर का एम्पलीट्यूड चाहिए, M1 चाहिए. तो M1 का मतलब क्या है? M1 is equal to what? M1 is nothing but A by what? Sorry, E1 by A. So what is this M1? M1 is E1 by AN. What is E1? E1 is what? E1 is the what? Amplitude of first tone
Modulated DC.
of modulating सिग्नल. हमारा जो मॉड्यूलेटिंग सिग्नल अभी था, यहाँ पर मॉड्यूलेटिंग सिग्नल जो था, उस मॉड्यूलेटिंग सिग्नल में हमारे पास 3 एम्पलीट्यूड्स थे, E1, E2 और E3. तो E1 हमने क्या लिखा है? एम्पलीट्यूड ऑफ फर्स्ट टोन ऑफ मॉड्यूलेटिंग सिग्नल. सेकंड टोन का एम्पलीट्यूड ये है, थर्ड टोन का एम्पलीट्यूड ये है. ओके, सो we have calculated the total power. Now the second part of the question is net modulation index of the net modulation index. Okay, the net modulation index, we have to calculate the net modulation index. B part, net modulation index. So हमारे पास, हम क्या जानते हैं ऑलरेडी कि as we already know, the AM signal is, or the general form of AM signal is given by what? The power of general form of as we already know, the general form of the power of AM is given by PT is equal to PC 1 plus MA square by 2. हम लोग ये जानते हैं. Now comparing the, so if we take this as equation 1 and this as equation 2, comparing the equation 1 from 2, we have, क्या मिलेगा हमें? M square is equal to, so ये MA square will be equal to M1 square plus M2 square plus M3 square. क्योंकि हमें जो एक्सप्रेशन यहाँ पर मिला था, तो यहाँ पर A square by 2 is nothing but what? This A square was nothing but PC. A square,
PC, sir.
A square is nothing but PC. So it can be written as 1 plus 1 by 2 of M1 square plus M2 square plus M3 square. Okay, so PC वहाँ पर PT is equal to PC 1 plus MA square by 2. तो यहाँ पर भी है PT was PC 1 plus M square by 2. तो इसका मतलब है कि this total is, so the value of MA is nothing but M1 square plus M2 square plus M3 square under root. Okay, so now this is the required expression for the net modulation index. Okay. So this is all about this question. Huh? Now we have to go through an expression of the modulation index. Okay. So that question is over. Okay. I think all of you know that we have to calculate in the B part the net modulation index, which is this one. Now we are going to the expression for modulation index. Still some of the students are joining. Why they are doing this? So firstly I have to draw signal. Okay. तो टेढ़ा मेढ़ा हो तो माफ कर देना. I am drawing an amplitude modulated signal here. Okay. I am drawing an amplitude modulated signal here. Firstly, I am drawing the what this is the carrier, and before that carrier, I should take another. Okay. So I think all of you have understood that what I am doing. All of you understood that what I am doing. Okay. So here, what is this? And what is this? So the above one is what?
Modulated signal है.
मॉड्यूलेटिंग सिग्नल. ये जो ऊपर वाला है जो ब्लैक कलर से मैंने दिखाया है, ये मॉड्यूलेटिंग सिग्नल. या ये मॉड्यूलेटिंग सिग्नल का पार्ट था. और ये जो इसे कलर चेंज कर देता हूं. या ये जो ब्लू एरो है, इस ब्लू एरो से मैं दिखा रहा हूं कैरियर को. तो आफ्टर मॉड्यूलेशन जो हमें सिग्नल मिल रहा है, आफ्टर मॉड्यूलेशन जो हमें सिग्नल मिल रहा है, दिस इज द मॉड्यूलेटेड सिग्नल. ओके. तो जो कैरियर था, जैसे ही ये इस पोर्शन के बाद हमारा मॉड्यूलेटिंग सिग्नल आया और यहाँ के बाद हमारा मॉड्यूलेटेड सिग्नल मिल रहा है. ओके. सो अभी अगर यहाँ से लेकर यहाँ तक की अगर बात करें, सो व्हाट इज दिस? व्हाट इज दिस? Can anybody tell me? This is nothing but what? VM. Is it? What is this value? This is also VM. Because ये एक मीडियम बीच का लाइन है और इसके ऊपर और इसके नीचे दिस इज द मैक्सिमम एम्पलीट्यूड ऑफ द मॉड्यूलेटिंग सिग्नल VM. ओके. Now I want to get the value of this. कहाँ ड्रॉ करना चाहिए? I am extending it. Okay. So what is this value? What is this value from this to this?
Sir, A.
This is A. Okay, so this is A and this is VM. So from the figure, और यहाँ पर कुछ चीजें और हैं, जैसे यहाँ पर ये जो वैल्यू है, यहाँ पर एक कलर चेंज कर ले या ब्लैक से ही दे दें। यहाँ से यहाँ तक का जो वैल्यू है, ये क्या है? इसे हम कह रहे हैं वी मिन। ओके, और जो मैक्सिमम वेरिएशन है फ्रॉम दी
V max.
that's the maximum variation from the mean. So this axis is representing ST, amplitude modulated signal. Now from the figure, VM can be written as, so VM को हम क्या लिख सकते हैं V max के टर्म में? V max minus
V max.
V min. This is the V max and this is V min. अगर इस V max में से ये V min माइनस करें तो हमें ये पूरा पोर्शन यहाँ से यहाँ तक मिलेगा, एंड दिस इज नथिंग बट, इस पूरे का क्या होगा? हाफ होगा। अगर हमें VM कैलकुलेट करना हो, VM कैलकुलेट करना हो, तो VM कैलकुलेट करने के लिए क्या करें? V max और V min के टर्म में, सो दिस टोटल V max में से V min घटाएं और ये पूरा पार्ट मिलेगा। अब इस पूरे पार्ट को जब 2 से डिवाइड करेंगे तब हमें VM मिलेगा, क्योंकि जितना VM पार्ट इधर है इस लाइन के, उतना ही VM पार्ट इसके नीचे भी है। ओके, नाउ एंड VC can be written in terms of Vmax and Vmin. How we can write it? VC. So where we have a VC, or it can be represented as A. A.
Sir, A equal V max minus bracket V min plus VM.
प्लस VM की जगह अगर हम यहाँ पर सिर्फ VM अगर लिख दें तो चलेगा क्या? Vmax में से अगर VM को माइनस कर दें तो A मिलेगा। पिक्चर में देख लो क्लियरली, VM में से हम Vmax में से VM माइनस कर रहे हैं। कैन वी गेट VA? Is it right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Is Vmax माइनस, और VM को ऑलरेडी हम लिख चुके हैं Vmax Vmin के टर्म में, Vmax minus Vmin by 2. Now this will 2 Vmax minus Vmax plus Vmin by 2. So what we have got? We have got
VM by 2.
Vmax minus Vmin by 2. So here we have got the value of A as Vmax minus Vmin by 2. So this is
Sir, plus. Sir, plus होगा ना sir? V max plus V min.
प्लस। सो हमारे पास ये क्या है? VM है और ये क्या है? A है। सो VM और A अगर दोनों हमारे पास है तो कैन वी गेट द मॉड्यूलेशन इंडेक्स? Modulation index is nothing but VM by A. So what is the value of VM? VM is this much and A is this much. So Vm is here and A is here. तो इन दोनों वैल्यूज को अगर यहाँ पुट कर दें तो व्हाट वी विल हैव, वी
Yes,
विल
sir. Minus by Vmax plus Vmin.
minus Vmin by Vmax plus Vmin. So this expression is known as the standard form of the modulation index. There are problems from this equation also. So इस equation से हम क्या, above equation is the standard. So ये जो calculation हम लोग करते हैं, this is known as the standard method of evaluating modulation index. So यहाँ पर हमें कैरियर और मॉड्यूलेटिंग सिग्नल दोनों ही का क्या पता होना चाहिए. अगर दोनों का एक्सप्रेशन हमें पता है, देन फ्रॉम दैट एक्सप्रेशन वी कैन get the value of Vm and A, and from that we can calculate the Vmax, we can calculate the modulation index. Okay, so I think the time, okay, 7 more minutes we have, 2 more minutes only. Okay, so I am giving you a question. Tell me the answer as soon as possible. We have a carrier of 400 watt. Carrier of 400 watt is modulated to a depth of 75%. Modulated to a depth of 75%. Then calculate total power. Tell me the answer as soon as possible. Within 20 seconds. Calculate the total power. I'm waiting for 20 seconds. So depth of 75% कहने का क्या मतलब है? Depth of 75% is nothing but the modulation index. So depth of modulation is 75% given है. Modulation index यहाँ से निकाल सकते हैं. Modulation index will be 75%. 75% का मतलब क्या होता है? 0.75. So modulation index का वैल्यू दिया हुआ है 0.75. कैरियर का पावर दिया हुआ है, मतलब पीसी दिया हुआ है 400 watt. Anybody got the total power?